Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have a, small business haul. This is coming from Ebony, and she recently opened a shop on Instagram, and her the name of her shop is the Rosette Guru, I believe. If anything, always check my description box because I will have the links directly to the people that I have videos for. So, so if I'm not sure, always check my description box. Anyway, let's get into it. So I just cut the tape open and look at this already. Oh, I'm already in love. Look at this thing. It says, "Thank you for your order. You're the bomb." That is so cute. Oh my gosh, Ebony, like everything, as always, I want to keep that, so I will be keeping that. And she's got this gorgeous tissue here. And if you're not following her, you could follow her on her personal page, which is the_crafty_girl, and her new Instagram shop is the_Rosette_Guru, Guru. So if anything, check the description box for the direct links. So look at this little thank you. Oh my God, I love it. She put the black lace trim with the little blushing heart. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So pretty, Ebony. Look at this. Perfect combination. Oh my gosh, I love it. So ridiculous. But look at that. So very pretty. Oh my gosh. Ebony. Love, love, love it. All right, I'm going to move the box to the side so we could get into it. Put that here. And you already saw a peek of it, but I did get me some rosettes for Valentine's. She's got this little love letter envelope with this little heart in the middle. How cute is that? And then look at her little clay pieces. You got the really teeny tiny one, and then you've got a little bit bigger one. Isn't that beautiful? And the gorgeous glitter. Oh my gosh, her combination is so pretty with the sequin mixes, with the combination of the glitter and the faux snow on the edging here. Beautiful. Thank you, Ebony. And then of course I had to get the purple. The pink is cute, but the purple's the bomb, baby. Look at the purple envelopes. They're a little bigger. You've got the little motion. I don't know what it's called, but you got the larger and the really teeny tiny one. And then she's also got some little round perler beads, like, you know, here and there. How cute. Oh my gosh. And I love her combination with the dark, then you have white, and you have the lavender. Just breathtaking. I could just stay here and stare at this forever. Rosette Guru. Check her out. Beautiful. The Rosette Guru. Guru. Oh my goodness. Abs. Yes, I did order these, but these were placed way before you guys even got to see it in her shop. So look at this beautiful pouch. Oh my gosh, I love this. Keeping it. It's a heart-shaped little zip bag. Oh my gosh. It's a good size. Look at that. My whole hand is in there. Thank you, Ebony. And then I have, let me see, let's get these open and I can share with you. She had a bunch, like a bunch. She was sharing with us, and I was like, oh yeah, that one and that one and that one. I got some of the black and white stripe hearts. These are plastic, so they're nice and sturdy. Look at that. So we got this, and we've also got the Valentine's bingo cards. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I could just imagine how I'm going to use this, but look at all the pieces that you know you could see on the card. So you could actually see the little candied hearts covering the spaces. Can you see that? So these are all open, and then bam, you got a heart, you got a heart, you got a heart. You know how you play bingo and you got to cover your spaces? So they're all the same. Love it. I love it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't go nowhere. Don't go anywhere. And her little baggies are so cute. They're polka dot, white polka dots. How cute. Thanks, Ebs. And then she has these little envelopes filled with hearts. It says full of love. And they are a glossy finish. It's plastic. Very nice. Oh my gosh. So I got that. Where's that other one? I know I got 4 of each. So there you go. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. And then we've got the kisses, 25 cents. Yes, girl, yes. I love, love, love it. Oh my gosh. And then, oh, I was just super excited when she showed me all of these. I was like, yes, 4 please, 4 please, 4 please. Oh my gosh. I think these are my favorite of all of them. Look at this. The envelope with the wings. Yes, please. Oh my God. Yay, yay. If that doesn't say Happy Valentine's Day, I don't know what does. And then she had little coffee to go cups. It says, I like you a latte. Adorable. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to go with this one first, because look at this little heart zip bag. It's so cute. Yes, Ebony. You're the bomb, baby. You're the bomb. Look at these. Oh my God. These are like, they're somewhat like conversation hearts, but they all say love, and they're lavender. Isn't that pretty? And it's raised, so you could actually feel the letters on this little cabochon. Super cute. Look at this thickness right here compared to the rest of them, so you can see how thick they are. Really cute. I love, these are my #1 favorites. And then the envelopes. And then the bingo cards. And then, this is the last of my haul. We got these 2 in here. Oh my gosh, Ebs. These are stinking cute. Baby, baby, baby. Let me just get them situated here. Love hot air balloons. Yes. Look at these. Oh my gosh, my fat thumb is in the way. Look at them. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. And it's the same thickness as the others. They're hard plastic. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love it. I love it. And the very, very, very last of it is donut hearts. I wish this was purple. I would have grabbed them all. Purple with the little sprinkles would have been perfect. That would have been perfect. But yes, girl, thank you. Ebony, you hit the spot. I hit the jackpot, and I love every single thing you made, girl. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to show it all off because it's so beautiful. Please go follow Ebony and give her a holler, because you know she makes these beauties. And if you are interested, only serious interest, please. Because this girl works her tail off making these gorgeous, gorgeous roof sets. I mean, gorgeous. So check her out and you will not be disappointed. Thank you all for watching, and go check out Ebony. Tell her I sent you, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.